Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is again on ticker symbol PROG, which is for Progenity, and you can see that today this stock was up by 39.48%. Even after hour it is up by 6%. At one point after hour it was around 5.4. So you see in one day it is up by almost 40 to 50%. So very exciting. If you look at last 5 days of chart, especially back to back today and yesterday, nice price action. So in this particular video I want to talk about this particular stock, PROG. Very excited because there could be a nice squeeze happening. Very excited. I'm going to talk about the chart, mostly the support, resistance, price action. At the same time, I'm going to talk about the volume, the number of shares available, short interest, and also a report from Investor Place about their parent, also few other information. And at the end of the video I want to talk about the call option activity. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my Patreon community. And why? If you become a Patreon member, then you will get access to my Discord, where we talk about a lot for different ticker symbol, sharing the support, resistance during pre-market and market hour. As an example, like PROG, we are here since 90 cent. Even for a day trading, if anyone entered, they are up by 40%. Another example, for CEI, for a swing trade, we entered our position around $1, almost up by 20%. After our GGPI, the other hot stock, we have been making money on this one. Even this one was up by 12%. So anyway, if you like this kind of support, resistance, trade ideas during the day, you want to make some money, please consider joining my Patreon, so that you just pay $9 per month, or as a VIP $25 per month, and you will get access to my Discord, so you get this live alert. Also, you can join my YouTube community. It is even easier for you if you do not have Discord. Anyway, if you look at today's Eos Exchange Volume leaders, number one is PROG. Why? Because the volume is 351 million shares traded today. Looking at number one, number two is Lucid. We know what is happening with Lucid. Most interestingly, if you look at the average volume for PROG, it is around 87 million, and today's volume was 351 million. Looking at the chart here, you can see the blue line is the price and the yellow lines are the volume. You can see today's volume is so high, almost like the previous high. So if we get more volume tomorrow, this thing will run again. You see, during January, February, it was around $6, $8. Then it came all the way to 90 cent. But now with more volume, this thing is getting the momentum. So very excited. If we get more volume, this thing is going to run. Also, people are talking about some buyout, some big partnership with some big names. So many things happening. I'm not going to tap there. This video, I just want to talk about what is happening. So first of all, I always want to talk about the short interest and number of short shares availability for this particular stock, because this thing really has a short squeeze potential. So if I go to the web page shortablestock.com, so if I go to shortablestock.com, so currently it is showing that there is no shares available to short. So it's showing me 0 shares available to short. At the same time, the current borrow fee rate is 41.4%. You can see that some shares were returned. There was no share. Then some short they covered. So some shares are available. And again 0. So it's up and down, up and down. And that is why we are seeing a change in price action, because some of the shorts they are covering. Whenever they're covering, you see some availability, and again it goes back to 0. Anyway, I also went to Twitter for the short interest data. This is from yesterday though, not today. It is showing that the current short interest is like 30%. In few places I found it is like 20%, 25%. I do not know, but anyway, this is always a good short candidate. Another news that came today. So that news came after 3 hours ago, that 4 new patents add to Progenity's Apple. It came in Investor Place. It's a good one. If you want, you can go and read. This is a bullish one because it talks about the PROG stock, and it talks about the bulking up the IP portfolio, their patent and everything. Then it talks about their new CEO who came on board. So at the end, it talks about the takeaway on PROG stock. So PROG stock is trading at a reduced price point, and this can be viewed as an opportunity. As Progenity expands its IP patent portfolio, the company's value increases. Moreover, Mohanty's new CEO has a track record of helping to build up biotechnology business. So it's a good one, right? Also, a few days before, a news came on November 13 that they announced their cancer and AIDS life-saving anal probing technology patent. Anyway, so I'm going to talk about the technical analysis definitely, but just before that, look at the call option now. So for 19th November, which will expire after 3 days, this coming Friday, look at the volume and open interest, especially for 5, 5.5 and 7.5. So many call options are here. Look at the volume, look at the open interest. In case by November 19th, PROG remains over $5 or let's say $7.5 in case, all of this call option will be exercised and there will be a massive buying pressure. So I'm very excited, at least if it can stay over 5. You see all of these call options below $5, they will be executed and there will be lots of buying pressure. So I'm very excited and I'm just looking forward. So anyway, let's go back to the price action now. So yeah, it was up 40%. That is the old story. Now what is happening? So during the day, I was just monitoring the black line here. You can see it started the day from 3.8 and it's on an uptrend. In the morning, it went all the way to $5, came down to 4.2, but then after that making higher high and higher lows, and it went all the way to 5.1, 5.2, came down. Even after hour at one point, it hit 5.4. So what is happening and how much it can go? So from 1 minute chart, I'm going to go back to hourly chart because I want to see few things. So definitely we had a strong resistance around $4.95 area today. So we were trying hard, but finally we broke through. Now, if I go back to a 4-hour chart, let me change the 1 hour to 4 hour. What you can see that there was a previous resistance around 5.13, 5.14. So we broke through. We were having some resistance around that line, but we broke through that and we went all the way to 5.4. And why 5.4? Because 5.4 was the previous support. Then suddenly it collapsed from 5.4. So definitely it will have a strong resistance at 5.4 and we experience 5.4 after hour. If we can go over 5.4, pre-market, we make 5.4 as a new support. I think this thing can go all the way to 5.97, let's say $6. And also I remember recently when it was like here around $5 area pre-market, maybe 4:30 or 5 o'clock in the morning, it went all the way to 6.2 or 6.5. So I'm also looking at $6 and 6.5. So in a nutshell, if this thing can run pre-market, it goes over 5.4. I think it has a potential for going towards $6 and 6.5. On the other hand, if you're waiting for a deep buy, maybe you can wait for $5 area, because today you see around 4.95. This area was acting like a resistance for some time. So it was a resistance. Then after hour, that 4.9 area became the support. So from 4.9 it went up and currently it is trying to have 5.1 as a support. So in terms of support, 5.1 and 4.9 I would be looking at. On the other hand, if it wants to go up, it needs to break 5.4 area, and after 5.4 I see some area up to $6 and 6.5. Very excited. I'm not gonna say short squeeze, gamma squeeze, just looking at the price action. This is really healthy. This is looking really nice. And PROG, they will also attend in a conference, so November 18, 19 and 22nd. Lots of things are coming, so hopefully we will see a nice price action. I do not want to give a $10 price target or anything. I am just following the chart and just looking at $6 and 6.5 for now. And if you are part of my Discord family, definitely you will get more update pre-market and market hour, or whether you want to day trade, swing trade, any other stock, this is fine. But anyway, so in this particular video, I just wanted to give you the information. Hopefully you will like it, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, give a try, join my Discord community. I don't know, it's not loading today. Yeah, join my Discord community, become a patron. Just pay $9 per month, become a patron and get access to my Discord so that we can all make some money together. Anyway, I was having some technical difficulty while I was making this video. I was on and off, but finally I'm glad that I just completed my recording. If there is some flaw, please, I'm sorry for that. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.